Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Despite the poor nutrition source most bread can be for birds, there is a way to offer healthier bread as an occasional treat for wild birds. Good bread options: peanut butter or other nut butters, beef fat drippings or softened suet, grape or apple jelly or orange marmalade. The 26th of June 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
2. Containing high levels of beta-carotene, carrots can go a long way in supporting optimal eye health, which is important for birds of all species. As a bonus, carrots are flavorful and fun to eat. Make sure to feed any carrots to your bird raw and uncooked, as they are healthiest in their raw, natural state. 17 July 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Arguably the greatest concern many people have is that birds will become reliant on these handouts. But there is no discernible evidence that garden feeders create dependency other than during extreme weather conditions. But, inevitably, feeding does affect the birds we see around us. 20 September 2019.
Take our lead.
Cooked plain pasta or rice is a great source of carbohydrates for birds. Wash thoroughly to remove any oil or salt and cut into small pieces. As with cheese, no moldy or rotten meat should be given to birds. 10 March 2019.
Take our lead.
Just look in your pantry or refrigerator for these kitchen foods that birds will love: apples, bananas, cooked pasta and rice, eggshells, hard cheese, melon, pumpkin and squash seeds, peanut butter, raisins. The 15th of September 2013.
Let's help you make your mark.
Vegetables. Birds eat a lot of seed and plant material, and scrapped vegetables can be a welcome feeder treat. Other fruits, such as old berries, raisins, grapes, bananas, oranges, grapefruits and the seeds of watermelons, honeydew melons, pumpkins, and cantaloupes can also be offered to birds. 30 November 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.